Everybody!
Oh my giddy arm. Is that a crazy person? Oh, it's the missus. Well, welcome to our rewilding project here in France. Oh look, there's another crazy person. Oh, it's me. And the dogs, obviously, they do like to help. Usually by watering the trees just after we planted them. So what are we trying to achieve? Well, we're trying to plant 1,000 trees on 2 hectares of land. Oh, I say. Now, since we started this project, we have become more aware of habitats for the little critters. Yeah, on this land here, where this other crazy person is. Yeah, okay. Well, as you can see, we're progressing nicely. We're planting trees all over this land that we are all there. And, as far as the eye can see, eventually, up to the tree line anyway. So, there's Artemis. Oh, there's Spawns and Nikita Schmidt. See, lots of signs with names on. I know, you're wondering, how do I get my name on one of them signs? Well, check out the link in the description and be a part of the project. Oh, you see, it's not just sticking the trees in the ground and watering and what have you, no. We have to protect the signs, so put them with the trees, yeah. Just the little birdies, and they've got somewhere to live. And a little sowing of some wildflowers for the bees. Eventually, your signs will be mounted in the trees when they're big enough to, well, hold them. Some of these trees were planted last year, and they got a little bit weedy. So I sent out the missus to do a bit of hoeing and a bit of direction too. You missed a bit, you missed another bit, and that bit there, and and that bit. Oh, bird box construction commences. Yeah, about 60 of them. Ugh. And a drink of water. Oh, that's the idea. You got it. That's it. Okay. Oh, and we're making signs to go with the trees. And we're using a laser. It's like Moonraker, you see. So you can have your own sign with your own message for your own tree here in France, you see. We're not only buying trees from the local nursery, no, we're making our own, propagating them. And these willows are for the arbours, and you could have an arbour too. Yeah. Our bird cloning efforts have been working. Yes, they have. Yeah, more birds. Okay, and more birds. Oh my giddy aunt. Oh, is that the end? No. If you haven't done so already, and you would like to have your name with a tree, or maybe in memory of a loved one, there is a GoFundMe link down below in the description for which you can make a contribution and get your very own little tree, which will grow into a big tree, and we will look after that. So remember, link in the description down below. Because me and my dear missus would like to thank you all for your kind contributions. I salute you. Ta-ta.